इस पैराग्राफ की स्पीड 100 की होगी। इसके अलावा ये पैराग्राफ आपको 80 और 120 की स्पीड में मिल जाएगा। पैराग्राफ की फाइल और दूसरे स्पीड्स के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए हैं। गेट रेडी फॉर योर डिक्टेशन। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। रावलपिंडी, following Pakistan government's decision to extend suspension of international flights operation till May 15 and limited options available for British citizens stranded in Pakistan to return to the UK, the British government has planned to run the second round of special chartered flights from April 30 to May 5 for the purpose para. 2 special chartered flights each will be operated from Islamabad and Lahore and one from Karachi The cost of ticket from Islamabad and Lahore will be £522 and from Karachi £498 In the first round of special chartered flights, British authorities operated special chartered flights from Islamabad and Lahore to London and Manchester on April 21 and April 27 for British nationals seeking their return to Britain para. Meanwhile, the government has issued a guideline asking its nationals on a short-term visit to Pakistan and willing to return to the UK to get themselves registered with booking portals as soon as possible It further announced that these portals would be closed on May 1 and there was no guarantee there would be more flights in future para. If one has previously been registered for flights from Islamabad or Lahore, she would not register again Those on existing wait lists will be given priority for the second round of special chartered flights, the UK government announcement said The passengers have been asked not to travel to the airport without having a confirmed ticket, as tickets will not be on sale at airports para. If a flight is cancelled with no replacement offered, refunds will be processed within 14 working days by the corporate travel management If you cancel your flight less than 24 hours before a flight's scheduled departure, you will not be eligible for a refund, the guideline said para. The British government further advised its nationals that if departure options were available but you cannot afford the travel costs, you may be eligible to apply for an emergency loan from the government This is a last resort option and you would need to repay the loan when you are back in the UK, the guideline said para. Travel to the airport due to government restrictions, lockdown, the guideline said, the public transport was limited, and authorities had discouraged all non-essential use of public transport If you are traveling to Islamabad or Lahore airport, you should, if possible, carry printed copies of your flight confirmation and have your passports easily to hand If you cannot get a printed night confirmation, carry an electronic copy para. The Pakistani authorities have assured that, if one will be having a confirmed flight ticket and valid travel documents, he will be allowed to travel to the airport, the guidelines said, full stop. If one has been placed into a quarantine center or is in an area quarantined by authorities, one may have to wait until the quarantine is lifted, full stop. Follow the advice of relevant local authorities, full stop. If you are not allowed to travel across a checkpoint or if you are moved to a quarantine facility, full stop. The end.